Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're talking about a couple deals if you want to do it as a Walmart curbside pickup, if you want to go into Walmart, or if you want to go into Meijer. So there's a variation of ways you can do this deal. I would do it ASAP because this is going to go very, very quickly. 59-cent Windex and $2.49 L'Oreal Fancy Face Cream. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, guys, now we're going to talk about this deal two different ways. The first is with IBOTTA, the app that all of us use and love. This one showed up this morning, which is a $3 back with a limit of up to 5 at a whole stable of stores. It's not just one or two. It is Walmart, Walgreens, Meijer, Target, CVS. I think those are the stores where a lot of us are finding these cans of the Windex spray. It's either $3.49 or $3.59. I know Walgreens is only in larger markets. They have these cans of the Windex foam. So just be mindful of that. Now, if you are an avid Walmart shopper, there's Walmart Cash, which you have to activate. It's a limit of up to 5 and it ends on the 27th, which is tomorrow. I think this is going to go very, very quickly because it is such a fire deal to pay 49 cents or 59 cents for these that they're going to go very, very quickly. If you put in a curbside order, it's a way to ensure that you'll get these quickly. Now, also, there is another deal for that L'Oreal face cream, which is cheap. This is a limit of once, and it's $4 back on a $6.59 product, so it makes it like $2.59, which is really, really cheap. This morning I did put in a curbside order because I couldn't get to the store first thing. So at my local Walmart, these sprays were $3.48 each. So for 5 of them, it was $17.40. And then I got back $15 in Walmart cash. I also grabbed this guy for $6.42, and I got a $4 Walmart cash for it back, so it made it $2.42. So not a bad little deal, and they had this prepared for me like within an hour, so I was able to go drive and get it, and then I got my $19 back like right away. And you have to make sure that your rebates are loaded if you're going to do it that way. In previous videos, I've showed you how to manually go in the store and then put it into your Walmart cash. So I think like last week I had a video where I was showing that. I'll link it at the end if I remember. So that was with the Walmart cash, which is one chapter of this. If you are just an avid IBOTTA user, if you could track down 5 of these and the cream at Walmart, just submit, like populate all those rebates and then submit it, and it should work for you. Alternatively, my Walmart didn't have very many of these Windex foams. So over at Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest, they're $3.59. So they're 10 cents more. And they had a huge amount of them at the store. So I didn't, when this product first came out earlier in the summer, I don't know why they didn't have a high value rebate for it. It was always like $1 or $1.50, but this $3 I'm all about. So I did grab 5, and there was so much more there, guys. I certainly didn't clear the shelf. Because I know a lot of people will be like, you're so greedy, but this is such a great deal. And the limit on IBOTTA is up to 5. So in the store, I would absolutely scan the barcode of the product to make sure that the rebate is still there, even when you're at the checkout, because I think this is going to go very, very quickly that it might vanish on you, and that would suck if you're paying like $20 and then it's all gone. You know what I'm saying? So just double, triple check. I will let you guys know that when I submitted my receipt, it did take a while, but I was also doing this first thing in the morning, that it didn't pick up all of these. So I had to go back in, say that they missed it, and scan every single barcode for all 5 of my Windexes. And then I did get my $15 back. So I would go and do this right away. Either do that Walmart curbside order if you're very familiar with Walmart Cash, do it that way, or go in store and look for them. And there's a whole legion of stores like CVS, Meijer, Walmart, probably if you have a Food Lion or Kroger, it's also there. I know Target also, it's really cheap. Just to show you my IBOTTA money, and I finished a weekend cash bonus. So the I think $19 I put into this, I got it back with that weekend dash cash. So that is it for this video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up and go out and score 59 cents for Windex. Oh my God, is this couponing in 2018? I don't know, but I'm loving these prices. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.